Hi there, I'm Gregg Hubbard, and today I'm here with Reef, founder of R2R Cosmetics. We're super excited to share with you R2R's new product, the Essential Enhancer, the ultimate moisture balm. Its long-wearing formula provides deep hydration and high shine, can be used alone or with the velvet paint. Its key ingredient is a plant-based emollient which makes it vegan, non-sticky, and super versatile, can be used all over the entire body. I'd love to show you the best way to use it. Just to take a little bit with your ring finger, and for a little bit of a high fashion runway look, apply just a little bit right to the lid, making sure to cover the entire lid evenly. Other side. And just take your time, going over the entire lid. A little bit on the raised area of the cheekbone, right on top of that bone, as well as a little bit onto the mouth. Kiss yourself. There you have it. Working with the Essential Enhancer, we're going to take your ring finger or your second finger and apply the enhancer all over the lid, making sure that you're working it on the entire lid from the inside to the out and the outside to the in. You want to make sure that there's a nice even application of the product so that there's no heavy spots in any particular corners. Once you have a little bit of Essential Enhancer on your finger, use your hand to just emulsify to smooth the product out, and then you're able to apply to the raised area of the cheek. Applying the Essential Enhancer on a bare lip gives it protection as well as a nice gloss and sheen. Kiss yourself, and there you are. To mix the products, take a little bit of the Essential Enhancer and the all-in-one velvet paint. The color is platform. Using a spatula to remove from the actual container, apply it onto a palette. There, once the product is onto the palette, you can use a synthetic brush to combine and mix the products so that you have a really nice smoothable texture. And once that happens, then you'll find that it'll be very easy to apply it to the eye. Starting on the inside of the eye and moving out, just making sure that you have a full application of color. A pro tip is to lift the brow just a little bit, as you can see that I'm doing, and that way you can smooth the product out over the entire lid. The all-in-one velvet paint has a matte finish, and when combined with the Essential Enhancer, creates a beautiful slip and a glide, and the product will just ease onto the eye or wherever you're trying to apply it. And the finish is dewy, it's sexy, and rock that look, Ree.